This program has been brought to you by Durango Party Rental. We put it all together perfectly.
The new tax bill is raising a lot of questions about property tax deductions and whether or not taxpayers can file early. We asked La Plata County Treasurer Allison Aichele to clear up the mystery.
I'm Allison Aichele. I'm the La Plata County Treasurer, and here we have an example of a Colorado State statute book. All of these laws are what I have to follow as an elected position. So according to law, by January 10th, the assessor has to have the tax bill to me, which means I don't know what your taxes are right now for next year. That's being figured out. However, many people want to prepay their taxes because they can get a deduction on their income taxes. And right now there's a lot of, am I going to be able to take that deduction or not? What is the federal government going to do with the income tax law? A lot of questions. And the answer is yes. You can prepay and then work with your CPA to see what kind of deduction you can take. I can't give you advice on your income taxes. All I want to know is about property tax. I can give a pretty good estimation of what your taxes will be, but it won't be exact because there was a reassessment this year and Gallagher is going to reduce your taxes and the reassessment will increase your taxes. Plus, everybody in La Plata County has different taxing entities that they pay their taxes to. So here we have two examples, one from Hesperus and one from Bayfield. They're different, which means your taxes are going to be different. One of them we've got the Durango School District. We live in La Plata County. But out in Hesperus, they receive services from Montezuma, Dolores County, so they have to pay some taxes to that county. But Bayfield doesn't. Bayfield has a whole bunch of different taxing entities. So you can see everybody's going to get a different tax bill because of these taxing entities. But that's what the balls in the air are. So I can give you an estimate based on all of this, and then you can come along and pay me this year, December of 2017, for your 18 taxes, and then work with your CPA to take a tax deduction. In January, we send out a tax statement. Then in February, or April, or June, you pay the statement. That's why we have these coupons down here. You can either do 2 halves or 1 whole, but by June, you should have paid all your property taxes. And if you don't, then we start making friendly phone calls and we'll send you a delinquent notice. And if you still don't pay, in November, if you still haven't paid your taxes, you're now delinquent on your taxes, and at that point in time, what I do is I put it online and let anybody in the United States pay your taxes. These investors get 11%, so if you don't pay it to the county on time, we then sell it to somebody else, so the county gets all the money, but now you're going to pay an investor an additional 11% to pay your taxes until they come due. And that's your taxes.